The light stays on in my #aid wine cellar when we close the door. It should turn off when door closes. Can you tell me what part I need to order? We are handy and can probably install it.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. First, make sure the switch down at the bottom of your refrigerator isn't flipped on, because these KitchenAid wine coolers have a switch which you flip to leave the lights on so that the unit is put in display mode for parties and showing your house for sale and things like that. Either way, flip the switch, and if the lights still remain on, there is a door switch that would need to be replaced. The number you have listed is a part number, however, not the model, so if you have the full model number I can look up the switch and location that you would need to order.
The cover of the guidebook I have says #8336411962400B is the second part, the model. It was installed June 22, 2012.
The model would be located on a sticker inside the wine cooler and seen if you open the door. The model will start with a K for KitchenAid.
The sticker is a little hard to read, but I think it says KO 24 LSBX14.
Okay, so yes, there is a rocker switch at the bottom below the door at the kick panel directly in the center. Flip that to make sure you don't have it flipped on into showroom mode. If that doesn't fix the issue, there is a plastic push-button plunger switch also next to the rocker switch. This is your light switch. Make sure that when the door is shutting it's pushing on this switch, and if so, and the light won't turn off, you need to order and replace this switch, which is part number ###.
Tyler, I will be giving you the highest ratings for the great information supplied this evening. I want to be sure that I am paying for the information this evening, but not for any continuing charges to my card. Do I need to do anything else to be sure I won't be charged for anything beyond this transaction?
You are not currently signed up for a subscription, so there should just be a charge for this question itself.
Excellent. Thank you again.
No problem, and I wish you only the best.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.